All right, here we go. Doing some flips. Hey everyone, my name's Alex. I'm an ex-medical student who sold all his belongings in 2012 to travel around the world. 50 countries, and the adventure continues. What's up everybody? Today we are at a mountain bike place, which is basically you take a ski lift, you go to the very top, and then you ride all the way down, because after yesterday's event of going uphill for 2,000 meters, I'm so happy I don't have to do exercise today. Very cool, very excited. Check it out, mountain bikes, people, ski lift. It's gonna be a great day. Chris, are you ready?
Absolutely.
Lisa, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Run.
Sabrina, are you ready? Ready.
Always ready. Guys!
Do it. Those are wonderful.
Not gonna lie, I am pretty excited today. I've never been to a bike park, never really descended this much on the mountain bike before. Alright, I really like downhill mountain biking. There's a lot of skill involved actually trying to maintain your balance and try not to hit the edges and so forth. Almost like driving a motorcycle, but a little different. That was a really cool experience going up and down this hill. That was pretty awesome. So I would definitely love to return to do a little more, because we only got to do 2 runs because we have to eat and everybody else has got to fly home, because today is our last day here in Slovenia, which is so sad. We had such an amazing time. Anyway, we're gonna go have some lunch. If I haven't mentioned it before, I love trampolines. All right, here we go.